Hi guys, in this video taken from our course Upside Down in 30 Days, Ilona is going to show you different ways of entering your headstand. Enjoy the video.
Hey there! In this video, I want to show you different ways that you can enter your headstands. Work with those and just have fun with it and enjoy as you go. So the traditional one we covered, which is the one leg after the other, I'll re-show it. So first of all, once again, measurements. Second step, creating the nest. Third, head down, legs up. And fourth, we try to walk forward. And fifth, we go up. So the one we covered is one leg up and the other one follows, right? So this one we have it now. Other ways that you can do is you can go with both legs up. This one is very hard. Both legs up. It requires a lot of muscle engagement, but you can work your way till you get there as well. Another one I want to show you is a pretty common one actually. I know a lot of teachers who teaches this way because it's safer in a way that you are more in control of your balance, but to me, I've seen that it is not accessible to a lot of people due to flexibility. Meaning we're not flexible enough to do this, but I'll show you. Anyway, it's the tucked headstands. So this way, bend one knee in, other knee in, and from there you extend. Yeah, but like I said to you, this part is really hard for a lot of people. So this is why I do the one with the legs, one leg up. Another way that you can get into your headstand, which I just learned and I thought is amazing, is from your child pose. So child pose, head down, create your nest, and from there lift your head and jump into it, or not jump, but control yourself. So you bring from your child pose, knees up, feet down, and back into child pose. How cool! And one last one that I want to show you, and this one is once again an advanced way to get into the headstand, and it's for those people who are very flexible, is from our wide-legged standing position. So from here I'm going to fold for my hips, measure my elbows, have my head come down, and then press myself up into my headstand. Yeah? And same way to come out, lower the feet down and exit out. But it took me quite a bit of time to get this one actually to feel comfortable enough to shift my weight forward and to have my hips come in alignment with my head. Also, like the flexibility of the lower back is quite demanding for this one, so which is why I said it's an advanced one. Take your time to get there and enjoy as you go. Try it out. It's really, really fun.
Hi, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking to master your head and handstand, we have a super comprehensive course called Upside Down in 30 Days that will take you through the alignments and the muscles and everything you need to prepare and protect for these inversions. Click on the link below to check it out. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the Play Pause Be deck. This is an amazing tool to help you create your own sequences for your self-practice or for practicing with others. Click on the link below to learn more. Have a great day.